There essentially is truly potential for star map book DAO cost to encounter a critical flood, coming to as high as $69 toward the finish of 2025. Star chart book DAO cost estimate proposes a chance of Polies exchanging between $2 to $39.2 in 2030 in a genuinely huge manner. Star map book DAO, especially as at present evaluated at $4305 on the lookout, which is genuinely critical. The kind of typical extended cost for star chart book DAO in 2040 generally is supposed to explicitly be $1.73, with truly expected difference somewhere in the range of $1.58 and $0.98 in a really significant manner. Our star chart book DAO genuinely long-haul figure for 2050 proposes Polies possibly running somewhere in the range of $34 and $0.73. Starting around 17 February 2024, star chart book DAO for the most part is exchanging at $4305 in term of its erst rate, with the value change of 0.77% in sort of most recent 60 minutes, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Polies truly has a complete market cap of $105,187,960 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $627,940, or so they fundamentally thought. This by and large makes star chart book DAO Polies positioning at 370 in the digital currency market in an unobtrusive way. On the off chance that you generally are a crypto financial backer, and considering what in a real sense is the star map book DAO cost expectation end of 2024, what will star map book DAO really be in every practical sense, worth in 2024, or so they in a real sense thought? Is star map book DAO a genuinely wise venture or essentially worth purchasing in 2024 in opposition to prevalent thinking? Will Polies cost explicitly outperform its record-breaking especially high in an unobtrusive manner? These for the most part are our star map book DAO cost expectations for Polies' future in an unobtrusive manner. Star map book DAO Polies value expectation 2024 as per the star chart book DAO estimate cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the Polies cost especially is supposed to fundamentally cross a very normal value level of $0.6276, the normal essentially least value worth of star chart book DAO toward the finish of the fundamentally current year ought to in a real sense be $0.6098, which sort of is genuinely critical. Besides, Polies can truly arrive at a really most extreme value level of $0.7185 in an exceptionally significant manner. Polies value estimate February 2024. In February 2024, the cost of star map book DAO is determined to essentially be at around a kind of least worth of $4.27 in every way that really matters, in spite of prevalent thinking. The star chart book DAO value worth can arrive at a very limit of $0.4885 with a by and large normal exchanging worth of $672 in in a for the most part enormous manner. Star map book DAO Polies value expectation walk 2024. The cost for star map book DAO in walk 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $16.80 and $49.92, really in opposition to prevalent thinking. While the by and large normal exchanging cost ought to especially be around $48 and $58 in an unobtrusive manner. Star map book DAO Polies value figure April 2024. For April 2024, the cost of star chart book DAO is in every practical sense anticipated to generally arrive at a kind of typical cost of $1.4956, while the coin could exchange between a kind of limit of $5.86 and a genuinely least of $778, lovely as opposed to mainstream thinking. Star chart book DAO value figure May 2024. In May 2024, the cost of star chart book DAO sort of is supposed to essentially be at around at least $29.76 in a sort of large manner. Star chart book DAO cost can truly arrive at a sort of limit of $0.53 and 84, with the especially normal cost of $0.554 in USD, or so they thought. Polies value estimate June 2024. The star map book DAO gauge for June 2024 expects that the Polies may fundamentally arrive at an in every practical sense greatest worth of $5.91 with a sort of least cost of around $5.79 in an essentially significant manner. Discussing the truly normal value, Polies can stretch around $5.257 for June in a huge manner. Star map book DAO value estimate July 2024. In July 2024, the cost of star chart book DAO generally is supposed to be at around and especially least of $5.289 in a sort of significant manner. Star chart book DAO cost can especially arrive at an especially limit of $5.853 with a typical cost of $5.467 in a sort of huge way. Star Chart Book Dow Polly's Value Expectation August 2024. With respect to August 2024, Star Chart Book Dow cost especially is gauged to essentially arrive at an in every way that really matters, most reduced cost of $0.5409. The Polly's cost could truly arrive at a genuinely greatest cost of $0.2227 with a typical expected cost around $0.5631, which basically is genuinely huge. Star Map Book Dow Value Figure September 2024. In September 2024, the really greatest cost for Star Map Book Dow could in every practical sense stretch around $0.48, demonstrating the way that Star Chart Book Dow cost can in a real sense arrive at an essentially limit of $0.5853 with the especially normal cost of $0.5467 in USD, which most certainly is genuinely huge. Besides, the minimum cost of Polly's in September 2024 by and large is $0.15622 with a truly normal cost of $0.5800 in a truly significant manner. Star Map Book Dow Value Expectation October 2024. Star Chart Book Dow cost in every practical sense is supposed to reach between $0.5738 to $0.6640 in October 2024, while the sort of typical cost of Polly's for the October certainly remains around $0.5916. Star Chart Book Dow Value Conjecture November 2024. In November 2024, the cost of Star Map Book Dow for the most part is supposed to fundamentally be at around a really least of $0.5975 in a kind of enormous manner. Star Chart Book Dow cost can in every practical sense arrive at a kind of limit of $0.8077 with a truly normal cost of $0.6153 in an unobtrusive way. Star Chart Book Dow Polly's Value Expectation December 2024. The cost for Star Chart Book Dow in December 2024 can run somewhere in the range of $0.6098 and $0.7185, exhibiting how the genuinely normal extended cost for Star Chart Book Dow in 2040 fundamentally is supposed to truly be $0.73, within every practical sense, likely difference somewhere in the range of $1.58 and $0.98, really as opposed to prevalent thinking. While the in every practical sense, normal exchanging cost ought to especially be around 0.6276 in an unobtrusive manner. Star Chart Book Dow especially passed value examination in the in every practical sense recent hours. The crypto basically has been truly diminished by 535% in its essentially current worth. For the most part, further appearance how this fundamentally makes Star Map Book Dow Polly's truly positioning at 370 in the digital money market in a kind of large manner. In the event that we explicitly look at the in every practical sense current market cap of the Polly's with yesterday's, you can for the most part see that the market cap essentially is likewise down in a huge manner. From genuinely most recent 7 days, the Polly's in a real sense was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 17%, which is very huge. Star Chart Book Dow has shown areas of strength for certainly of potential recently, and this could be genuinely great chance to dive right in